Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and this is another open with me, and I've been seeing this book everywhere, so I figured I'd give it a little review and open with me. Oh goodness gracious, get it in the middle. There we go. I could have just moved the book. Anyway, here it is. This is Contemporary Crochet 35 Super Easy Garments and Accessories by Liv Huffman. Okay, so before I start, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and hopefully you'll be informed when new videos pop up. So let's get in and have a little look. And so here we go. It's kind of contemporary, so modern day then. Modern day crochet for his and hers by the looks of it. So we have, that's quite a chunky kind of hoodie. And well, we've got a bit of a variation on the festival top, wearing it over a shirt. We've got oversized jumpers. So straight away then we'll have a look at how it's kind of set out. We've got in chapter 1 stylish separates, chapter 2 statement outfits, and chapter 3 unique accessories. Well, I wonder how unique they are, considering you know, it is hard to find new and innovative ways to do crochet. So we shall have a look. Right, this is an introduction. We won't read that, but we've got the stylish separates. Okay, so yeah, a few of these things I've kind of seen before. Like obviously, I even have a pattern that I was selling in my shop, very similar to this. I've seen skirts like this loads of times, but you know, let's not seen this before. Let's have a little look and get in. So this is called the Lovey top. It's really a festival top. We've seen a million of those, but not worn over a black shirt before, I suppose. But there we go, the Lovey top. That's not exactly new. I've seen these skirts too before. They're not exactly new, but I like the fact it's got this like frilly edge. It's called the Eden skirt. And there it is. So this is the rosy top. Now I dare say young people have been doing stuff like this, but I've not seen one that's made quite like this, with a square turned as a diamond and made into a halter top. Quite daring. And there you go, that is it. The Harry cardigan. Wonder if it's a nod to Harry Styles, but this is Harry. Oh yes, it is. It says this colourful cardigan is what started it all. The design is based on my viral recreation of the J.W. Anderson knitted patchwork cardigan worn by Harry Styles, and now you can wear it too. So it's kind of a nod to the one that Harry Styles wore, but it's crocheted, and it's just basically squares of what look like UK double crochets or US singles, or maybe they're half trebles or half doubles. I don't know, but it's kind of a different way of doing it. Now, I was thinking and working on a way of hiding this join. I've hidden my join for the other crochet, which I adapted from knitting, mattress stitch, and since I did it, you see it everywhere now. But the one I was thinking of is a little technique that I might be working on soon and show you. Okay, so that one is kind of visibly sewn together, and there is a chart. The Jordan shorts. So, okay. So these are a nod towards the Jordan shorts. This granny square design is not your average pair of school gym shorts. Inspired by knee-length, loose-fitting, athletic style, the Jordan shorts are their much cooler cousin. So yeah, I remember a little while ago seeing a lot of Facebook kind of posts about knitted or crocheted shorts with captions underneath saying just because you can doesn't mean you should. So, but obviously with festivals and crochet becoming quite vogue, they have actually become a fashion icon sort of thing. So this is the Annabelle corset. That's different. I quite like that. certainly wouldn't fit me. But, you know, if you were young, a young thing, that would just look fantastic. So, yeah, that's pretty decent. This is the Justin top. Now, I really like this. That's nice. I thought this was kind of, what am I saying? You know where you've got overlay crochet or where you've got two, so you've got a colour underneath, but no, it's mesh. So that's quite nice. That's named after her friend Justin, not Justin Bieber, as you might have originally thought. But again, an oversized top, quite baggy in the sleeves. And I know that, you know, there's probably a lot of people who love that. But I like the fact that it's got this piping, this kind of orange. That's very distinct, isn't it? Quite like that. So this is the Greg vest. Well, vest. I guess tank top, vest, whatever you want to call them. I think of vest as being underwear. That's what I call a vest. Vest tops are kind of usually t-shirty material. So if it's knitted or crocheted, I tend to think of it as tank top. But never mind, that's a vest called Greg. And it's good to see that there's boys' stuff in here. It really is. I guess anyone can wear it, but it is quite unusual. This is called the Liv hoodie. And, yeah, I guess named after herself, is it? Liv Huffman. This is her hoodie. Now, I'm not sure about the hood. It's kind of... It works, I guess, but it's not shaped, if you kind of get my drift. It just comes straight from it. I don't know if that would look nice. Again, very, very baggy sleeves. They look very long and very baggy. But, you know, it's kind of nice. And there's a very simple chart. This is called the Silver Vest. And it's not a vest at all. It's a waistcoat. But, you know, who am I? Who am I to rename her stuff? Anyway, it reminds her of the clothes she used to steal from her dad's wardrobe. I don't know if her dad ever wore one of those, but, you know. And this is the Sir jumper. And it kind of, I guess, Sir. Just, is it to Sir with love kind of nod? I don't know. Well, this is Sir, and it's very similar in a way to the first one, but obviously it's got this ridge of like a grid pattern. I quite like that. That's different. Very baggy sleeves again. You know my thoughts on baggy sleeves if you've been watching me for a while. But, you know, I don't know. I quite like it. Although it wouldn't really do me with those sleeves, would just drive me to distraction. But the shaping is non-existent, you see. That's what it is. It's all kind of squares and blocky. This is nice. This is the Hannah top. This is named after a sister, Hannah. So it's quite nice that this is very personal, this book, isn't it? All about her, friends, and a sister. It's very nice. I like that kind of concept. And that is a very nice top for the young and daring amongst us, or the older and daring. This is the Noan poncho. Tabard, really, I guess. Named after and requested by her partner. So there you are. That's her partner's name. Okay. Well, there you are. What do you like? Do you like that? It's sort of a tabard. There's the neck hole. And quite a simple. A lot of these designs are very, very simple and easy to make. So great for beginners. And now we've got statement outfits that may be a little more kind of daring. The Avery vest. So, yeah, tank top again. Little crop top one made of a big granny square. And shorts to match it. Well, hey. Maybe they're next. They are. The Elizabeth shorts. So, yeah. Couple of granny squares. Ever so easy. I was asked to make those. And trousers. Very, very similar. So, I never did get round to it. The Allen top. So that's the side little panel. And we've got a skirt as well. And there's the top. Very easy, I guess. Lace up. I think that might annoy you trying to do it up. But this is called the Lou skirt. What was the top? Allen and Lou. Okay, so there we go. The skirt might be easier to do up for yourself. This one's called the Sky top. Well, I'm not keen on these big holes, but you know, that will be someone's favourite. That will. And there is a skirt, which is, I don't know about this, something really awful would poke through there for me. But you know, if you were this shape, then this long skirt would be fantastic. And it's got this kind of very different top to it. Yep, there you go. Very, very dexterous. We've got a split at the back to make it work. This is the Aussie set. Okay, the Aussie set is very similar in the shorts, but we've got a little bra top. There we go, that's what it looks like. And the Wendy dress. Wendy, named after her mum. And there's the dress. Seen a zillion of these around. But for me, if it was me personally, I'd like a little sleeve. Only because I've got horrible arms. So there we go. Ever so easy kind of pattern. The Kitty shirt. So wonder who Kitty's named after. Doesn't say. But there we are. So there you go. It's maybe unisex, perhaps. I don't know. And then we've got the kid trousers. Kitty shirt goes with the kid trousers in reverse pattern colours. And there's the how-to. This is called the Dotty top. Now, Dotty, but it isn't Dotty, so that's obviously named after someone, I guess. What do you think? Very nice for young people. And there's the trousers. They're called Honey. The Honey trousers. Okay, we've gone too far. Now we've got the unique accessories. So I like the bag, but let's see just how unique these unique accessories are. So there's the hat that's on the front cover. Kind of a very, what's the word? Established style, but with these safety pins. A little nod to maybe the early days of punk. And we've got a Peggy bag, which is just a granny square, so that's not exactly unique, but there you go. London neck warmer, made of granny squares. I'm sure we've seen that before. And the backpack is quite nice. I do like that. It isn't, I don't suppose it's that unique, but, you know, quite fetching. And we've got David beanie, made of granny squares. Seen those before, guys? The bunny balaclava, made of granny squares. I'm sure I've seen that on someone's channel. And then we've got Frank gloves, which are fingerless gloves made in stripes, and I know I've seen those before. The Linda scarf, granny square scarf. So, guys, perhaps not that unique, really. What's that bit all in aid of? Oh, makes a hood. There you go. The Jack tie. So I do know that there are quite a lot of people who make ties. And this is called the Georgia belt bag. And I've not seen one of those before. Finally, we get something that I feel is unique, because I've not even encountered one before. And equipment and materials, techniques. We've got the obligatory bits at the back. And tension, joining, enclosing a yarn tail, like working in your ends and sewing, tassels and fringes, conversion charts and your index. So then that is Liv Huffman's contemporary crochet, and I have to say I like it, even though in the unique part there wasn't a great deal that was unique. The rest of the book I think is very good for young people. Young people who crochet will love this, I should think. For me personally, there's not much in there that I'd make for me, but yeah, what do you think? Tell me what you think. I think anything that brings crochet into the youth is good. You know, anything that kind of keeps it on vogue is brilliant. And yeah, I quite like this book. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.